Hello students, hope you're doing well and hope you're staying home and staying safe. And with this, we begin with our writing skills section for English. And what we are expecting you all is we'll be giving you two writing skills maybe per day or three writing skills per day. And we would be giving you an audio as well as PPT. You please go through the audio and go through the slides as well and rewrite the same writing skills on the same topic. You can either write a few of your ideas into the same topic as well, but then please go through the audio as well as slides thoroughly. So the first topic for the day, or the first expansion of idea that we are going to write, is strike while the iron is hot. So basically, while explaining this topic, what we need to cover into this is doing right things at the right time will always give you the best results. So basically, this would be an overview of what you are supposed to be writing in the expansion of idea. One more thing, when you're writing any expansion of idea, make sure that you can at least cover a topic, at least a story into it, a very small story into it, or maybe some examples related to some leaders which would be helpful in explaining this topic, right? And apart from this, you should have a good start and a good conclusion which makes your writing skill much more attractive. Also, make sure that whenever you write your writing skills, any writing skill, make it as a complete piece of composition. It should be in good English and it should not leave any queries behind. It should have all the essential topics or all the essential things to be covered into it. And make sure you do not make any spelling mistakes and grammatical mistakes into it, as well as punctuation errors. So we begin with this expansion of ideas, strike while the iron is hot. So the paragraph that I have written, I'm going through it. Everything has to be done at proper time. This maxim involves two factors: choosing the most suitable time and acting promptly to win an advantage. While the iron is in the furnace, only when it is heated to a particular temperature it can be beaten into required shape. The right moment is to be chosen to hammer the iron. In the same way, for raising good crops, sowing, planting, and harvesting should be done at the right time, otherwise, the crops fail. The stem of a plant can be bent into the way we want only when it is tender, but not after it grows into a tree. To implant ideas of right and wrong, to inculcate good behavior, and help form good habits in one, it is the business of parents to choose as most suitable one's early life, that is, childhood, which is the formative period of a person's life. So this is what I have written. I have begun with this one as the shortest of the writing skill, and afterwards when we start writing with few more topics, we'll start covering some examples and we'll increase the length as well. But for now, I think for this topic and for the beginning, this much would be enough for this topic.